Hello viewer from YouTube, you're about to watch an extract from my Work Faster with InDesign course, which as you would imagine is a course that will get you working faster with InDesign. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to watch the whole thing, then you can access it by clicking the link below. We've been learning how a combination of keyboard shortcuts can ease our navigation. Let's look how it works rather than images, how it works with text. At first glance, not so well, because if I click here, for example, on this frame and do, let's say, Command 4, it zooms in right to the center of that frame. Useful on a small frame, but not on a large one. So I'll zoom back out, and if I'm showing you a shortcut you know already, I won't bother repeating it. Whether on this one, if I click on this one, you might notice the frame's smaller, so when I zoom in on that, that works absolutely fine. But that's kind of unusual. Very often you'll be working with frames much larger. So let's suppose I'm particularly interested in this section of text right at the end. How do I zoom in on that? Well, firstly, I change to the type tool, and there'll be a shortcut coming up in a subsequent video about how to quickly change to the type tool. And notice where my cursor is. Now if I use the same shortcuts, so let's say Command 2 or Command 4 or Command plus, I zoom into where my cursor is. So that's great because it means that you can get to exactly where you want to get to without worrying too much about changing tool. You're straight in there. So same shortcuts apply, but select the actual bit of text you want with the type tool first. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see other videos on the same theme, they're in this same playlist. If you want to watch the whole course, you can click on the link below to access that. And of course, if you want to subscribe and like, then that would be great.